How y'all doing, guys? Ray with HAC Tires. I'm gonna show you how to trip over your when you leave stuff in place. I'm gonna show you how to redo a seal on your front forks on the VTX. I've done this before, but I didn't record it last time. I bought a little tool to push the seals down, but it's not gonna be accurate. It's not working. I bought this from Amazon, but it don't work. So I'm gonna show you another way I learned how to do it. First, so when you take your seals off your bike, as you can see, the cap is still on top, the spring is still intact in here. When you first take it off, when you first take this off your bike, you're gonna have these two seals in it. This seal is the bottom. This seal right here is the bottom seal. It's gonna be in here, down in here. This is the top seal. As you can see, let me show you because I know I didn't show you taking it off. So the bottom seal is going to be sitting down in here, and the top seal is sitting right here. Push down in there. You're going to get a screwdriver, get in there, and pry it out, get it up. This one, you're just going to pull. This part is going to be facing down. You're just going to keep pulling up on your fork, like beating it out. Upward motion is going to hit it until it knocks this seal back up out of it. So that's how you take it off. But what we're doing right now, is I gotta unload this fork so I can put my seals back down in here. What I'm gonna do is put some tape, some electric tape around here to where it's thick enough to form a little barrier, and then I'll be able to knock my seals back down in there. So I'm using my bike to clamp this down so I can unload my spring. This is 17. Mr. Darrell, hold this, please. Hold it. Now the spring is loaded, so it don't come out very, very hard, but it do come out with a little force. So I'm pushing down as I'm turning. A couple more turns is gonna come out. There it is, see that? Oh. See? Now you wanna keep this stuff in order when you take it out. You got this, the top, of course. Then you got this piece right here. I'm gonna sit right here. And then, let me take this out real quick. There's a little washer. No, you don't have to hold it. I'm gonna drop it. So there's a little washer on here too. There's a washer that's on top. So this comes out first, then the washer, And then this spring right here. Now you want to remember where the top of the spring at. What I'm doing is I'm just laying it down how it came out. So I'm gonna remember my spring, my washer, and then this sits on top. You can stop it. Okay guys, so I got my bottom seal. You want to remember it goes on, this part goes facing down. So what you want to do is have enough room where you can come up and come back down and hit it. So I'm gonna put my seal on. Seal right there. So I'm thinking I want to put my tape like right here or right here. That'll give me a good space to come down and hit it. So we're gonna pause it real quick because I'll be wasting film taping it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a barrier around this with tape so I can come down and hit this seal. So as you can see guys, I made a thick barrier here with my tape going around, and what I'm doing, I'm gonna use it to drive this seal down. And what I wanna do, you wanna knock this seal down so you can get it to where the lock ring will go back in. Okay, I went up the street, my neighbor had a professional seal remover. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And see, this is why you need to buy a professional. What you want to look for, guys, you can't see it here, but it's a little line with a pin go, with a see the rings, the two rings. It's a little line where these go down in here to lock in there. Yep, it's bottomed out. So there it is. That's how you. And this is Motion Pro. If you got a VTX, you need a 41 millimeter. But the gentleman up the street, he uses these for nothing but Harley. So whatever kind of bike you got, you need to just check and see what the millimeter is for it. And we'll put this down in here. I'm actually not gonna put this yet because I'm gonna clean these. But that's it, guys. That's how you put your seal down. And then you want to put this. You can see there's a place around here where this goes. to lock it down in there. Well, it's the, you know, the seal has it in there, but this, you want to make sure you get this in here correctly. Then now, I'm not gonna finish it right now. We'll do another video where we finish it, but once you have it all in there, you just put these things back in the order you took it out. You're gonna have to push down on that spring because it's spring loaded, and that's pretty much it. But we'll do a video showing the rest. So guys, I'm putting the fittings back in the bottom to where you drain your forks at. Tighten them back up before I put my fluid back in here. Excuse me, I know I didn't show that step. So when you first take these forks off, you need a long Allen key to loosen this up, and that's how your fork fluid is gonna come out. And then you're gonna show them that ring, Blake. You gotta take this ring out first, and then you're just gonna pull this up and beat this bottom seal out. I'm gonna put my 2 new seals, my seals. So I got my bottom seal in. Now I'm gonna put my top seal in. And this one, is that tap hammer over there? Yeah. And what I do, this is real simple. Put in here with the carpet down. See, that's sealed up. So what I'm going to show you for the sake of the video is how to put this back together. Mr. Dale, do me a favor. In that bottom black drawer, it's a measuring cup. So guys, for your fork oil, you're going to need 10 weight. These bikes, these VTXs, they take 15.5 ounces, right? So remember, I told you, you want to make sure you put this back how you took it out. So we took this out last, so we'll put this back first. Drop this down. want that to be able to move. And this one goes in, but it's got stuff on it. And this one goes in. I'm gonna see if I can. Now we gotta put 15 and a half, we gotta put 15 and a half ounces of fork oil in here. You can stop the plate. Okay. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm tightening my bottom, my adjustment nut up so I can put this in here without it leaking out. And I'm going to measure out 15 and a half ounces. Right there, about 15 and a half. All right. Next, Mr. Derrick, give me a funnel, please. Thank you. We're gonna funnel it on in here. You want to make sure you get every little drip out. Every little, see that drip? Because if you don't get them drips, you're going to be losing money. I don't know if you cheap like me, but that's 5 cents, that's 10 cents. That was about 8 cents right now. Gas price done went up. No, I'm just talking about it. So that's it for that. And now, Mr. Derrick, hold this, please. Thankfully, I got some good help. What I'm gonna do now is I gotta push this spring-loaded thing.
Hello. The what? Yeah.
So it's starting about right here. we go. Good. All right, that's it. So, if you pull it up, the further you pull it up, the easier it is to push the spring down. Because, I mean, I know that sounds pretty elementary, but you don't have to push it down as far if you pull it up as far as you can. So, that's one. And that's how you do it, guys. See, it's sealed. I got 15.5 ounces in there. That one is good. And you just put it back. I took it off. You stop it.